Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn list slicing and adding elements, updating list elements and adding elements and removing elements. Okay, these are the topics and still more topics we can learn today. Let's see how it will go. Okay, first, what is list slicing here? See, list of this is the syntax for list slicing. List of start colon end. Examples. See, we have given here example numbers is equals to 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40, 50, and print numbers of 1 is to 4. That means it will print. Okay. See, let us see. See, it was like this, right? List of start colon end. And now numbers is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Yes. Next we are going to of print of numbers of 1 is to 4. Okay, this is how we write. Next, if we run, so it's printing 20, 30, 40. Why? See the start, this is the start value, that is 1. 1 means, see, the index will start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So in one place it will be printed as 20, and in next it will update. Then 2. 2 means 30. 3 means 40. 4, it won't print 4 because this is the end value. It will stop before 4. So it will print the third value, that is 40. This is how list splicing will work. List slicing will work. Okay, and this is how the output will be. Next, updating list elements. See, lists are mutable. Lists are mutable. For example, fruits is equals to apple, banana, orange. Fruits of 1 is equals to mango. Print of fruits. Okay, updating. See, lists are mutable means changeable. Okay, we can change the list. Fruits is equals to apple, banana, orange. In the place of 1, that is 0, 1, 2. There are 0, 1, 2 elements, list elements in the fruits. If I update the 1th value, that is banana, with mango, then if I print fruits, it's going to update apple. In the place of banana, mango will be replaced and orange, like this. Let us see the example. If I see fruits, it is a variable now. Fruits, in this fruits, I'm assigning apple. I'm making a list of apple, banana, comma, orange, orange, orange. Okay. Now I'm updating. Okay, updating elements. Fruits of 1. Fruits 1 is equals to, in the place of 1, I'm replacing banana with mango. Now if I print fruits, it will give me the answer. As you can see, it is changing. In the place of banana, mango is replaced and updation is complete. I'll clear it. Then if we see the notes, yes, updating list elements is done. Because lists are mutable, we can change the list. Lists are mutable. Next topic is adding elements. Next topic is adding elements. See, for adding elements, we are going to use append, insert, extend. Okay, these three we are going to use. First is append. See, adds one element at the end. Append, it will add one element here. Append, it will add one element at the end. That means fruits is equals to apple, comma, banana. It is this. Yes. Fruits is equals to apple, comma, banana. There are two elements in the list and fruits dot append. See, we are appending. Appending means it will add one element at the end. It will add one element at the end. That means I'm giving fruits dot append of orange. How it will add print of fruits. If we print of if we give print fruits, it will display the list of elements. Let us see. I'm giving fruits a variable, and in that, let me give apple, comma, banana. Yes, done. Next, I'm going to sorry, append. Yeah, append of what I'm going to append of mango. Next, print of fruit. Yes. If I do this, I may get see you now you can see instead of this I can give here only. See now happen to this. Yes, see, it was showing that an error, but still, apple, banana, mango. See, mango is appended at the last. Okay, it one value, one element that is mango. It is added in the list at the end of the list. That is called as the append usage. Next, we'll see append adds one element at the end. Okay, we have learnt the append, that is adding elements. Adding elements, append, we know. Next, we'll move to the insert option. See, adds an element at a specific position wherever you want. Okay, at specific position, it's going to add or insert an element at a specific position. See, you can see it will add an element at a specific position. Fruits dot insert of 1 comma mango. Print fruits of, see, print of fruits. Fruits dot insert of 1 comma mango and print of fruits. You can give at insert at a specific position. So you can mention at what position you want this mango to be inserted. Let us check by using this. See here, I'm just changing here. Friends dot insert fruits dot insert of, insert this 1 comma. Okay, I want at the position of 1. That means this is 0. And next, between apple and banana, it's going to insert mango. Let us see. If you know indexing, this is very easy. I'll clear it. Now you can see apple, mango, banana. Okay. Next to the apple, the place is 1, right? Position. At specific position, that is 1, mango is inserted. Apple, mango, banana. Like this, insert is used. Insert is used to add element at specific position. Whereas append it is used to, it will add only element at the end. Next, what about extend here? See, when it comes to extend, adds multiple elements. Fruits dot extend of grapes, pineapple, print fruits. See, fruits dot extend. If we give extend, we'll see what will happen. We add multiple. Okay, this was insert, 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 and append. It is used to add only one element, but extend it is used to add multiple element. It will add multiple elements. Let us execute. See what is that extend, right? It is used to add multiple elements. So I'll give position also. Let's see. And 1 comma pineapple. 3 I'll give. Okay. Then if I execute this now, see what will be the output. Okay, one argument. Let us see by trial and error. Okay, it will be added. Okay, multiple elements can be added. That it was given here. Okay, I should give in a bracket. Why? Because there are two elements here, so I should be given in a list format. then only it will take. Here, you bracket. Yes, now it's valid. And let us see the answer. So it's giving me apple. See if you now execute the apple, banana, mango, pineapple. See after these two apple, banana, these two are added at the end. Okay, it is used to add multiple elements. You can add one more thing. Okay, let me give position also. Will it take? I don't know. Let me check once. No, no, no. It will take as a elements. Okay, don't give position and all. Yes. See, you can see right, and you can add still more elements. See, like mm, I'll add fruit itself. See, it's displaying. Okay, this is how the extend works. This is how the extend works. Yes, right. You know the all this now. Insert, append, insert, extend. These are the adding elements. Next, we are moving to removing elements. See, when it comes to remove, we are going to delete or just uh, remove that element. Okay, fruits dot remove banana. See, in one list, the items are there. Okay, whatever you need. Okay, you're going to a market, so you made a one list. But some at last, when you are checking again, you don't want that item. Okay, so what you are going to do? You are going to scratch or you want to delete it, right? So in the same way, in this Python also there is an option called as removing elements called remove or pop or delete. Okay, these three and fourth option is clear. Okay, these are the four which you can use and make that element delete. Okay, or remove anything. In such cases, how can it work? Okay, for each remove how it will work, and pop how it will work, and delete how it will work, and clear how what will it do, like that and all we'll learn in this session. See, removing an elements is also very important. Why? Because adding elements is how much important, removing elements is also important. Otherwise it will make our effort increase. See, this is the example for remove. Fruits dot remove. Okay, you are going to use this remove, and banana inside the brackets you're going to write whatever the element which you want to remove it from the list. And next, if you're going to print the fruits, it will display. Okay, like that we'll try. Come. Yes, see, in this already the items are already written. Okay, I'll add these elements only. Let me copy this. Yes, I'm going to copy this. Yes, now this is the list of mine. Okay, I have more. I have added more elements because if we want to remove, right, it will be the list will be very small. So I have added more, and now fruits dot remove of which element you want to remove. Like I'll remove the fruit. Okay, let it be the last element. So I am going to remove the fruit value here. See, if I am going to remove the fruit, what will be the output? See, apple, banana, mango, pineapple. There is no fruit at all in the list. This is how the remove elements works. Next, we'll see the pop option. Okay. Next, we are going to pop. See fruits dot pop. How will it work? Let me do that. Remove dot pop. Okay, just leaving empty here. If I run, see apple, banana, mango, pineapple is there. Why? In this example, I'm not changed anything. Like fruit, it was already there. Okay, fruit, it was there, but still it is removing that. Okay, now if I remove this in the list, from the list, if I again execute, what it will do? See, pop, it will remove the last element of the list. Okay, pop will remove the last element of the list. Whereas this remove, you can mention which element you want to remove. Okay, even I will mention here, but if you mention only pop, it is going to remove the last element. See, I'll mention banana, we'll see how it will remove. Okay, once again, here it. Now if I execute, type error, str object cannot be interpreted. What is that? What happened? Banana, what now? Nothing is wrong. Let me, no, we can't give, I think, pop fruit. Hello everyone. See, now if I again execute this, what will be the output? See, it's giving error. Why? Because I don't know. We should not use anything inside the pop, I think. If anyone knows better than me, can text in this live chat. Let me know. Okay, if I give this, it will remove the last, that is pineapple. It will remove and give the current list now. Like this, it works. See, maybe I can give it like this, I think. Let me give mango and give in a bracket. If I give like that, still it will show an error. That's okay. We'll move anyway. We have done that execution already. See, remove is over, pop is over. Pop will remove the element at the last and delete. Delete it. You can delete the specific position. Okay, delete fruits of one, print of fruits, like that. It is very easy. See, just you can give, okay, delete. See, instead of like this, you can just give delete dot fruits of, okay, which element at what positions you can mention. You can mention the position. I used correctly. Sorry, dot, no, no dot. Okay, when you are going to use delete, you should not use like this dot, and you just leave it as it is. See, position, yes, banana is removed, right? At the position 1, what is there? Currently, banana was there. It has removed that and it is given the list, that is updated list, that is apple, mango, pineapple. This is how delete works. Easy, right? These removing options are easy. Yes. Next is clear. Fruits dot clear. See, you're going to use fruits dot clear. Remember the syntax, okay? How you should use fruits dot clear. See, yeah, just fruits dot clear. Just I'm going to see what will happen. This clear and pop are same. See, if you give clear, the completely the list will be empty, and you are going to get the bracket. See, the answer you are getting as a bracket here. Yes, correct, right? You're getting the answer as bracket here. Once again, let me update my views to our YouTube. Okay, what bro? Your support. Been 26 minutes taking the class here, and still no messages happened. Yes, see, fruits dot clear. You know how to use this clear, right? If you use clear, all the elements will be deleted from the list. You can use delete for at a specific position. You can use the delete and you can delete. Okay, now list functions. See what are list functions here? There is len, max, min, sum. See guys, I'm not explaining detailedly. Why? Because those details. Okay, I have taken 100 days of Python challenge from basics to advanced. Okay, in those basics to advanced, okay, I'll do completely detailedly with the definitions, correct syntax format, everything in detail so that you can understand better. But these are the basics. This is the overview. Okay, you should keep it in mind. In Python, these all the concepts will be there so that you can once if you are going to see these videos, then you can understand those correctly. Okay, like that. This is the overview of complete Python basics. Last 3 to 4 sessions have done till list slicing and all. Today I was covering list slicing, removing elements, adding elements, and list functions. Now I'm starting. Okay, let's see how much I can complete. Okay, we'll see list functions. See, there is len, max, and min, sum. Okay, next will be sorting a list. See, what is list functions here? See, you are going to use the function list function, that is len of numbers. The so it will do the functions like that. We'll see how will it work. See, just you are using print of max of numbers. Okay, in those brackets only you just mentioning min, sum. When it comes to min, it is going to list the, it is going to show the minimum, okay, minimum number, and max means maximum number, and the len means length, okay, length of the list it is going to show. Whenever you want a length, max, min, and sum of the list, you can use these list functions and you can see. Okay, we'll see first. Just do yes. Now numbers is equals to Okay, I'm creating a list 10, 20, 30. Okay, this is a simple list. And next you're going to do like this, print of len. Okay, you want to find the length of the list, so you're going to give len of inside the bracket numbers. Yes, like this. If you do, this is how the output will be shown here. See, the length of the list is 3, that is 10, 20, 30. So the length of the list is 3 here, you can see, right? Yes. And next, if you want to do the max, okay, maximum of these numbers, see, you can check here, 30. See, 30 is the maximum number in this list. Okay, and this is how you are going to check. And next, I'll change to min. See, if I give the min, it will show the minimum number, 10. 10 is the minimum number. Next, if I change to sum, I want the sum of the list, so you can give sum function. Okay, see, these are the list functions. See, now the sum is 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 plus 30 is 60. So the it will do the addition, that is sum of the numbers, and it is going to give the value. Understood? Okay. The list functions are over, right? In 1 minute I have done this. Next comes sorting list. What is sorting list? See, you are going to mix. Okay, sometimes you are going to write a list in such a way all the items are mixed. Okay, not in a order. You want to make it order. Okay, so whenever you are going to purchase it, then easily you can find at what place what and all are there. Okay, like that you want to sort. For sort, which is okay, which are unordered, those lists are ordered by this sort function. Okay, these are sorting list, it is used to sort the list. See, you can just use numbers dot sort, it will sort automatically the whole list. And next, reverse. See, reverse, there are two sorting list, that is reverse. Okay, reverse order or sorting. See, in reverse you should just give numbers dot reverse, and it will reverse the values of the list. We'll see how it works. See, here the numbers are there, I'll mix it. Okay, give 40, and your some value like 70. Yes, it's done. And next you're just giving your int of numbers here. Int of numbers is over. And next you should give numbers dot sort. Okay, to sort those values. See, I've done this. Now the elements are sorted very easily, right? In some cases, like this is very small list, right? You can easily arrange it. Whenever some thousand, 10,000, thousands of list will be made, means you should sort it very easily with a less time consuming. So these are used. Okay, sorting function. And sort is over. When it comes to reverse, okay, reverse. We'll see how it will do. Reverse. I've given reverse. See, it is just making the reverse of the list. That's it. 30, it is printed first. 70, 20, 40, 10. See, let me give. This is my own idea. I don't know why will it work or not. I'll use both functions. Can I? We'll see. 70, 40, 30, 20, 10. See, first it is sorted, then it is reversed. Correct, right? We can use both the what sorting list. Easy? Yes. Python is very easy. Yes. Next, how to check an item. See, fruits is equals to apple, banana, orange. This is my list. And print of apple in fruits. See, we have to check, right? Sometimes we have written the grocery list. In those lists, we have forgotten that we have included one item or not. Like I want to include jaggery. Before that, I should check the list, right? Where am I already included that jaggery item in my list or not included? I should check the list so that only then only I can add or not to add. I'll come to know. Like that, first we have to check an item. So this condition is used. Like checking is just easy. Just give the whichever item and just use in here. Okay, in is very important to check and give fruits variable. Then it will check that list apple is there or not. Like this, it will work. If apple is found, it will show true. If not false, then you can add an item. Okay, this is how. See, I'll just show here itself. Like this. Yes. See now, here I'm going to change just here itself. Prints of this and this statement is not needed. Print of just give whatever you need. See, I'll give mango in fruits. See, let us check. Does mango exist in the list? Yes, mango is existing in the list. So it is giving true. Let me change to hmm, what? Custard. Yes, I've changed to custard. See, it's giving false here. See, you can see, right? It's giving false here. Why? Because custard is not existing in the list. So it giving false. Okay, checking an item is done. Next, nested list. We have learned about nested loops, right? Nested loops means a loop inside another loop. Outer loop will be executed first, then it will be moved to inner loop. But outer loop it will be executed only once, whereas inner loop it will execute from the beginning completely. Okay, like that nested loop works. Now we'll see nested list. List inside another list is called as nested list. Okay, you know nested loops, a loop inside another loop. In same way, list inside another list is called as nested list. This is the definition. Okay. Next, this is the example for nested list. Students is equals to some list. See, one list. Rahul, comma 20. This is one list, comma separated by another list. Ira, comma 22. Okay, and then print of students. You are going to print the student variable. We'll see by executing. See now, students. This is one variable, and I'm giving bracket. And in one list, see, I'm going to give Raju, It's giving Raju. Raju, comma, some age 20. It should be separated by comma. Okay. Then Ira, comma, 20. Yes. Okay. Next we are going to print of students. We'll see how the output will be. See, this is the output it's showing here. In the list, Raju is 20, Ira is 20. So this is how it's printing now. This is called as nested loops. You can do whatever in the nested loop. Let me change it here, little changes. If I give bracket here, what will happen? If I give bracket here, see, what's this? What's going on here? See, it's just if you are giving bracket parenthesis, it will show in small parenthesis. If you're going to give a square bracket, it is giving in the square bracket. That's it. Nothing changes. This is how it will work, nested list. And where are we using this in real life? Student record. Yes, to maintain the student records, we are going to use all this. And shopping list. Yes, lists are very important. Sometimes, many a times we make the list, right, when we are going to buy a huge items to our home. And next, employee details. Yes, of course. Product list. Yes, marks list. Yes, to do list. Yes. And what are the common mistakes? See, using invalid index. If you're going to use invalid index, it won't work. And forgetting square brackets. Yes, many times I have done in this session only forgetting brackets, square brackets, wherever necessary. I have done those mistakes. You should not do. And confusing append and extend. Okay, here append, it will add an item at the last end of the list, whereas extend, it will add multiple elements. Okay, multiple elements at the end. This is how those two will work, and don't get confused. Next, trying to access an index that doesn't exist. See, if you are going to give an index that doesn't exist in the list, it's not going to work. And these are the practice programs. Create a list of 5 fruits, pause the video and just go through it and practice it. Okay, remove a fruit for the list. These and all I have done in this session only. Once again, you should practice all this. For a quick revision, what is list? List means collection of items, right? List means collection of items. Then list are ordered. Yes, list are ordered. Okay, list are mutable. List allow duplicate values. Yes, you can insert duplicate values like mango can be inserted at the different position. Yes, and indexing start from 0. Yes, of course, indexing always start from 0. Use append to hide items. Yes, you can use append to hide items. Use remove or pop to delete items. Yes, use remove or pop to delete items. Wherever you can also use delete option or clear option also. Okay, see, list are ordered. If it's unordered, you can use the sort function to make it order. And list are mutable. Yes, you can change the list by following options. And at the summary, what is the list? Creating list, indexing, slicing, updating list. These are and all we have done this session. Adding elements, removing elements, list methods, nested list. What is nested list? A list inside another list is called as nested list. See, the next topic is tuples. Before that, we'll see one. What was it? Nested list. Okay. What are tuples, guys? What are tuples? By the end of this lesson, you will understand what is tuple, why do we use tuples, creating tuples, accessing tuples, elements, negative indexing, same as the tuple slicing as list slicing. Like that only, there are tuple slicing, tuple methods, packing and unpacking, advantages of tuples, practice programs. Okay, in this session, we are going to do all this. First of all, what is tuple here? See, a tuple is a collection of multiple items stored in a single variable. See here, in single variable, a collection of multiple items. Okay, collection of multiple items will be stored in one single variable. See, don't get confused. Okay, collection of items is called as list. See here, collection of multiple items stored in single variable is called as tuple. Tuples are ordered immutable. See, one main difference between list and tuples are lists are immutable. Okay, we can change. Lists are mutable and ordered and allow duplicate values. But tuples, it is ordered immutable. Means we cannot change and allow duplicate values. Yes. Okay. The main difference between list and tuple is list is mutable. Okay, changeable. But tuple, it is immutable. That cannot be changed. Okay, you know the tuples now. Okay. Tuple is a collection of multiple items stored in a single variable. Next, where we are using in real life example. See, think of your date of birth. For example, 15/8/2005. Once ordered, it doesn't change. See, in this tuple, if if this date of birth it is once ordered, once if it is recorded, it doesn't change. Okay. Similarly, tuple stores values that should remain unchanged. Similarly, here in this tuple, if you in list you can change right once if you are storing. But here in tuples we cannot it remain unchanged once it is stored. Creating tuple. How to create a tuple? Easy. In list you are going to use a brackets. Whereas in tuple you are going to use a parenthesis. Okay, in list you are going to use the square brackets. Whereas in tuples you are going to use a parenthesis. Okay, similar to that only just a bracket change. But in tuples, these values, if you want to change, you cannot do. We'll see with examples. Okay. See, now the question is how to create a tuple. Let's see how to do. See, I have created the list. Okay. Here I will change by giving. Okay, in this tuples you should use parentheses. Inside that write whatever. Like Ira student and Raju is a student and and Mohan is a student. Yes, like this you should use.